Bro, it's so cold. Last night was a big ass snowstorm. The wind was so big that it was really loud. It kept me almost all night. I have to stay under this. My bad, guys. I forgot to put on 3 minutes. Well, what I was saying was, it kept me all night, almost all night, because it was so freaking windy. Oh yes, my bus. My bus is here. Oh, it is. My bus. Finally, it's here. I see y'all guys.